Today I'll be reviewing mochi cake mix, a Hawaiian-inspired cake with a chewy mochi texture. Just add water, eggs, and butter. So it's a mix.
All you need to do for this delicious home-baked mochi cake is add water, eggs, and butter.
Mahalo. Those who are Hawaiian will probably pronounce this way better than me, but why now? The oven! I told you to wait. So those who are Hawaiian, please tell me in the comments below how you pronounce it. I just pronounce it in the English accent, mahalo. So my mother and I already whisked the eggs and butter, so we'll have to pour this in. Since you don't have a square pan like this one, we'll have to do a muffin tin that's a mini muffin, like a mini cupcake tin, like about this much, about the size of my fist. So let's first take it off and see. It's this. Here comes the powder. I'm stirring. Thick. Sticky. Is that it, Mama? Alright, good. It smells like Play-Doh. Okay, when is this ever gonna be done? So since we don't have, a square pan, we did it in a muffin tin, and a big one, and I think it's good over Daddy, and in a small one. So these are the mochi at about, I'm not sure how many minutes have passed, about 25 minutes have passed. We're going into the other second part of the 25 minutes, which is because we flipped the pan over, so both parts of the pan can be roasted, and the mochi cake will turn out even. So the brim is kind of burned. If you see holes, it's because my mother used the cake tester in order to test if it's baked. Can you go to the smaller one, Daddy? This is also burned, but if you go to the smaller one, that's something I call burned. So don't think we use a square pan. We just cut out a square out of the burnt ones. Well, slightly burnt ones. So it's pretty bouncy, look. So it didn't really turn out that great as in the picture, but I mean, it's similar. Ooh, super bouncy. But it is delicious. This soft, squishy, mochi-like, it's like candy. Look at it. Noisy sink. My sink is super noisy. And the worst part is, since it's burned, they're all stuck to the pan. My mother took a bit out, but otherwise then we'll have to throw away the pan. I mean, there's no other way we can take them out without throwing away the pan. But I wish I could have another bite. I wish my mother could cut a bit more. Now anyway, subscribe and press the like button. I'll see you guys soon. Bye.